Whether you want to get behind the wheel as a driver or a passenger, our Person Hoist offers the ideal solution for wheelchair users looking to get seated in a standard vehicle. An elegant alternative to a wheelchair accessible vehicle, our Person Hoist offers easy vehicle access into conventional cars. Our Person Hoist lifts you via a comfortable sling that is positioned around you while seated and can safely accommodate children and adults with various disabilities. As an electric hoist, it can comfortably and safely transfer you to the seat without the physical strength and dexterity required to manually pull yourself from a wheelchair into the car. Our Person Hoist can be used in conjunction with roof or rear seat stowage to securely store your wheelchair in the vehicle. For more information about Person Hoists, easy vehicle access and other vehicle adaptations, speak to one of our experts by web chat, online inquiry or by phone. Vehicle adaptations, enabling independence. Mobility in motion.